welcome to my channel. I wanted to make this video just to help you get your hair to air dry overnight, because I'm always being asked, how do I get my hair to dry overnight without using any heat? Many of you know that I don't use direct heat on my hair just because I want to preserve the health and overall integrity of my curls. So I thought that I would make this video almost like a for sure way to get your hair to dry overnight without using any heat. And by the way, I did use a henna treatment on my previous wash day, and a video may go out on what I did. And as always, I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I did use a cotton t-shirt just to soak up any excess water from wash day, and this definitely helps because my hair is almost dry right now. So I would definitely recommend to use a cotton t-shirt just to soak up any excess water in your hair from wash day. That way you can start on semi-damp hair. And I divided my hair into quadrants just to help me manage my hair overall because I do have a lot of it. Next, I did mist my hair with a little bit of water to add that moisture back in. I find that when I do add water to my hair, products do penetrate a lot better, and I wanted to have a nice defined twist out. Next, I'm gonna go use my leave-in conditioner. This one is from Shea Moisture from their 100% virgin coconut oil line. This works great in my hair, one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. And then to seal that moisture in, I did add a little bit of vitamin E oil. So you can still see that my hair is not soaking wet. It is semi-damp, and that is very important to note, even though I am adding layers to my hair because I want my hair to remain healthy overall. I do use the WLOS method, which is an acronym that I came up with to help keep my hair nice and moisturized. I do use water. First, I mist my hair. Typically, I saturate it with a good amount of water, but for this tutorial, I really want to ensure that you can let your hair air dry overnight. I just misted it with a little bit of water, and then I sprayed a leave-in conditioner in my hair. And make sure that you do use a spray leave-in conditioner, more watery base and not like a heavy cream leave-in conditioner, because those can take a longer time to dry. And because we want to air dry our hair overnight, use lighter weight products. Also, the oil that I'm using to help seal that moisture in, use something lightweight like vitamin E oil. Also, jojoba oil is great, and jojoba oil also mimics the natural sebum of the scalp, so it's really good. And then I did the same process to the other two quadrants of hair. Now moving back to the first section, I am going to apply my styler, which is also a spray. It's the Almond and Avocado Twist and Set Setting Lotion from Design Essentials, their natural collection, and I absolutely love this line. This is one of my favorite lines, period. Not just from Design Essentials, but all of the hair products that I do have. I sprayed 3 to 4 pumps per subsection. I'm making sure that my hair is still semi-damp and not saturated. This is very important when styling your hair, especially when you want it to air dry overnight. You still want to apply these products because you want your hair to set, still be moisturized, look really good, have that nice sheen, but you also want your hair to air dry. So really keep in mind to use lighter weight products so your hair will definitely be dry in the morning. And as far as the sections go for the twist, I'm making sure that they are medium size. I don't want it to be too big because then that way your hair doesn't really have that space to air dry. I've done this several times before, and I find that it takes longer if I have a lot of hair in that section. And if I have really small sections, my hair will dry, but I'm not going to have that voluminous twist out look that I want. So I do find what works for me is having medium sized sections. I'm also using my favorite rat tail comb just to help ensure that the Twist and Set setting lotion is smooth in my hair. My hair is also tangle free and smooth. You really want to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth with any style that you do, whether you're doing a perm rod out, a flexi rod out, braid out, twist out. Make sure that your hair is nice and smooth because it's also going to help with the longevity of your style and just have your hair look really good overall. I'm going to continue to do the same process on the rest of my hair, and I'm making sure that I'm twisting my hair very firm with purpose. You don't want to rush this process. You don't want to twist your hair very loosely because then you're not going to achieve that definition that a lot of us really love, especially me. I love volume and definition together, and I really want to make sure that this twist out does last. So I'm making sure that I do twist my hair very snug, and I'm also using the rat tail comb just to help keep my hair nice and smooth and tangle free. And I will apply just a little bit more of the setting lotion to my hair, especially the ends, as I see fit. I don't want my hair to be dry, but I definitely don't want it to be soaking wet. So just find that happy medium where your hair is pretty damp throughout the process. And this is how my hair looks after I have finished twisting, and I absolutely love the way it looks, feels, and smells. My hair is definitely very moisturized and soft. It's not weighed down. It definitely feels hollow in a sense. It is damp and I really love it. You can really see that my hair just looks so healthy, and this is definitely key to note. And for nighttime, I'm gonna make sure that I sleep on a satin pillowcase and not cover my hair with a bonnet like I would typically do, just because it is going to slow down the drying process. And I finished my hair at 5 a.m. in the morning, and fast forward to later in the day, I'm ready to unravel my twist. My hair was dry around noon, like 11:30 noon, but because of this whole situation of staying home, I'm really making sure that I'm on top of my motherly duties, so I just have a lot more going on than normal. I applied a few drops of the vitamin E oil just to help with that natural sheen and to make sure that I don't cause any unnecessary frizz while I do unravel my hair. And I'm just patting that in to the twist and making sure that I do get my roots. And now I'm going to unravel the twist from the back to the front, and I'm just unraveling the twist in the opposite direction from when I twisted it, and I'm being very gentle as well. And then I'm going to also separate the curls for more volume, and I have some good definition going, and I'm very happy because my hair feels very airy, but I definitely have definition, which is very good. Typically when I have definition, I know that the style is going to last for about a week, so that's very good for me. And here's how my hair looks after I have finished unraveling all the twists, and I absolutely love the way my hair looks and feels. It's very soft, moisturized, I have great definition. My hair looks nourished, and I love anytime that I do a style and my hair looks very nourished. Like I gave it that extra TLC just to make sure that my hair remains nice and healthy, and you can really tell a difference when your hair has that natural sheen. It just looks like you spent that extra time doing your hair. And here's a close-up on how the texture looks. I love this style hands down, and definitely the twist and set setting lotion really helped to give this style a nice boost with drying time. As I'm recording this voiceover, today is day 5 hair, and I did do a couple Instagram stories, and many of you love the way my hair looks, so that just goes to show that this style is definitely holding up. I really hope that you enjoyed my video overall and even learned a few techniques that you may want to include in your natural hair routine. I really hope that you are staying safe and warm in this intense time. We all need some positivity and tranquility. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.